everybody, today we're going to be making brownies. It's a simple, quick, and easy recipe. As you can see, it's snowing outside, so it's a great day to make brownies because you're just at home and you got nothing better to do. And brownies are really easy and they taste amazing. So the first thing that we're going to do, so this recipe is using chocolate syrup, and so I have half cup of chocolate syrup here. And I'm going to put it in my mixing bowl. It's a little hard because it's syrupy, so take a spoon. Oops. Next, I'm gonna get my butter. This is melted butter, and you can melt it down. It's just normal butter. Just melted it in a pan. We're just gonna put this in here too. I'm just gonna use a spoon. Put it in there too. Gonna be mixed anyway. Then I'm gonna set it on to 2. Just let it mix in there. Eggs, and we're also going to put it in. So it'll all go in there. And then turn it back on. Next, we're going to put in half cup of brown sugar. A half cup of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna start mixing it again. We're gonna increase the speed to get this process moving up a little bit. So as you can probably see now, it's nice and mixed very well. So we're gonna take it down. So we have our pan here, and we're gonna line it with parchment paper, spray it, and then pour the batter in. So the mix is now well combined, and so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees, and then we're gonna bake it. And so now our batter is officially in the pan, and honestly, this looks so good, and I can't wait for it to bake. So the oven is now at 350 degrees. We are ready to put the pan into it now. So the pan is in the oven and we're gonna let it bake. I took the brownie out of the oven and it is fully cooked. So we baked it at 350 for about an hour and a half and it turned out like this. Now we're gonna cut it into little squares. You can see on the inside it's nice and chocolatey and soft, and it's gonna taste amazing. So, just gonna So now I'm going to taste one. I'm so excited for this. That is amazing. It's soft and rich on the inside. It's hard on the outside, soft on the inside. It's perfect. And so guys, these brownies are amazing. I love them so much. I love this recipe. It's really easy. It only uses 6 ingredients and you can do it very quickly. And honestly, I really suggest that all of you try it because it tastes amazing, super easy to make, and really that's a perfect combination. So I hope that when you try to make your own brownies for this recipe that you're just as successful as I was. So bye!